So we're going to be putting in some Ikea lighting, so stick around. Okay, so these lights, they come with a whole bunch of stuff. Ikea is great for this kind of stuff. I'm not the biggest Ikea fan, but they sure are clever. Transformer, LED power spike class 2 power unit with a wireless receiver. So it's got a remote control right here. You can turn it on and off with. It takes 120 volts in, and its output is a constant voltage, 24 volts, 10 watts max. And now we're going to end up doing a bit of math because you can see here, these are 24 volt, 1.4 watts, and this will do 10 watts. So 10 divided by 1.4, it says it'll give you a rough estimate. I think that's 8 lights. 8 of these will be controlled by one controller. We're only putting in 3 today, and so let's get right to it. 1, 2, 3 lights, 1 transformer, and we got a cabinet. So in these Ikea cabinets that we have here, we've got an outlet that's inside here that we're powering the microwave with. We're going to be using that for the transformer. And that means that the wires that are coming into it all have to come into this area. We're going to be putting one down light here in this glass cabinet, one down light in this glass cabinet, and we're going to be putting an up light here between these 2 cabinets. We'll see how that's going to work out. So we're going to start here by finding the center. They throw an amazing amount of light, so it's not critical that we're in the center. So this is 16 inches in the center. I'm going to mark my 8 inches there. And then here we're going to see the screws that they provide are little wee number 4s. They're very tiny. Even the screw head, the Phillips bit on the end is a very small one. So when they're small like that, you tend to strip them very easily. So we're going to make it easy by pre-drilling our holes with a pilot hole here. Laces don't work, but this is okay.
Shut up and sit down.
Keep that a little loose until you put the wire in there. It's very difficult to fish through. Once you fish this through,
I don't think you looked at
no, I didn't, but I'm okay.
this. Yeah, you gotta fish it through for you. That's what they're saying. But you can do it, whatever.
Of course,
Did you manage?
of course. You're going to get all this through, and if you're comfortable cutting and splicing the wire to the length, go ahead and do that. I'm not comfortable doing that yet because it makes it absolutely unusable in any other application if you change your mind. The instructions provided by Ikea suggest that you drill a hole through the back of the cabinet here, this location behind the light. I don't like that idea. Once I get the wire behind there, it's going to be a chore fishing it along. Instead, I'm going to remove this corner piece, and we already have an open channel here. And in this channel, we can fish the wire along and bring it out on this side here, in this cabinet, right where we want it. So they provided us with 2 small channels. And so I'm going to put a channel here and a channel along the back, just to keep the wire tucked up and out of the way. These are self-adhesive backs on them. So you just stick them up, press them in, hold it for 10 seconds or so to make sure that it's going to adhere, and then we can fish our wire through. And it's hidden from view. This piece here is going to slide up over there, but I don't want to pinch the wire here. So I'm just going to notch this piece out with my knife. Okay, and once we've carved our little cutout there, we can just slide this one here back on. And Bob's your uncle, just like that. Okay, we're going to do the same to the other side, and then we'll make some connections in the middle. I'm going to make this wire a little bit more rigid so I can fish it through. I want it to go from there to there, from up here, and come out the hole over there. So I doubled it up. I'm hoping I can have enough to push it. There, we got it. We got it. Yeah, I see it now. Yeah. There we go. That's a neat little trick, eh? Just like that, huh? So now this is the one we're going to be putting back here. And we're going to be putting it far back, and that's going to create some uplighting and hopefully decorate whatever Dean decides to put here. Now that I've got all my wires here, and you can see they're all hanging out up here, I'm going to notch a couple of holes in this. One where this wire is going to come across the top, and the other one where the wire is going to come down there. I still got to put an outlet cover over that too. Okay, so now this one here is going to go there, and then these ones here are going to go here. So I'll push that on if I can, and then all these 3 can go in there and make that flush. Nice. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to put this in there. I'm going to notch out the other cover. And then that'll get slid on as well. Okay. Alright. I'm just going to bunch them all so they're all together like so. Guess I got to do something with that, eh? I could just hold on to it forever. No. No. These ones here, I'm going to twist tie them up here like this. Just to keep this bunch all together. Now, since we didn't put any of these things here up at the very top, we can put them in here. Keep that wire up and out of the way. It's just having it a clean look, right? So let's put one here. Just eyeballing it kind of a third of the way. And this one here, let's see, I'm going to put about a third of the way in. Right. And then we can put the covers on. That's it. That's not bad. And we can plug all the wires in, and then we'll figure out where it's best to put it. One, two, three. We sold you the transformer. Was there any mounting hardware to go with it? It was just that, no screws, right?
Sit up there in the box at the top. And this one up here, can it just sit up in this one?
Yeah,
just
it can-
lay
it can
it
sit
flat.
there.
Lay it flat.
I was going to fasten it like to the wall.
I have sure if you I have some Velcro tape if you want.
Velcro tape is good. That's a great idea. So when you're doing this here Velcro-y kind of stuff, okay, don't make this mistake. Here's a 30-second tip for you. Peel off one side. Put it on the item that you want to be able to remove. And then you take the other stuff, stick it to it. Then remove the sticky stuff. Right? And then stick it right here where you want it. That's awesome. Done like dinner.
There it is.
That's the button we have to press and hold the hand
Does it rock or something?
Oh, you got a dimmer feature on it.
There we go.
Dean is brilliant.
There we go.
Dean,
Two is off, one is on. It is a dimmer.
Wow.
Yeah.
If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And like it. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks, Dean, for letting me show everybody how you got some nice cabinets here. Right on.
Okay.
Wow. Awesome.